Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use text-to-speech on iPhone 17 Pro Max. So text-to-speech is a function on your iPhone 17 Pro Max that lets your device read text aloud for you, which is absolutely perfect for articles, messages, emails, or any other content that you want to read. But first of all, let me show you how to set it up, and then I will show you how to use it. So let's go to settings, and you have to access accessibility, and then find read and speak option. And then let's talk about speak screen function. So if you turn it on, you will see that you have this little controller that will appear on your screen after you enable speak screen option. So what is basically speak screen? It will allow you to for your iPhone to read the whole screen. All you have to do is just swipe down with 2 fingers from the top of your screen like this, and your iPhone will start reading aloud automatically. Let's stop it. So I have to tap this controller and tap pause icon. Also, let's talk about this controller. So this controller lets you pause or play the reading by tapping this icon. You can skip forward or skip back in small sections. And also, if you tap this 3-dot button right here, you can set your speaking rate, which is comfortable for you. Here are the options. And also this icon with your finger allows you to tap on specific text, and your iPhone will read specific line that you want to read, that you want your iPhone to read. So tap this finger icon and then tap specific line, and it reads that for you. Okay, so let me stop it. What else? Let's go back to, okay, let me minimize it. Go to speak selection, and when you enable speak selection, basically this allows you to read selected text that you want your iPhone to read. So if you enable it, let me go to some kind of website. Let me open our website of Hard Reset Info, and all I have to do is just highlight specific text. Let me highlight it like this. And now I want to tap this arrow icon right here, and from the list of options you want to select speak option, and boom, your iPhone reads the text for you. And additionally, let's talk about how to customize voice. Let's go back here, and here under the section voices, you can see available languages and voices for those languages. So you can select that, and also you can set your language, your default language, and as well your speaking rate if you want that. So yeah, that were the main points on how you can set up and use your text-to-speech feature on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.